Hey guys, it's Bree and I am back here with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna do a little something different. My friend Sam requested that I do a makeup tutorial. Like, I'm not even good at makeup, but like, she likes my makeup, and like some of my friends asked me on Snap, how do I do my makeup? So let's just give the people what they want, and let's get this makeup tutorial on the road and ready. Let's go. Let's do it. First of all, I like to grab a little headband or something and just put it up to get everything out of my face so we can get started. I like to do my eyeshadow first, so I'm going to zoom you guys into my eyes so we can get this part done. So to first start, I'm going to prime my eyelids with my foundation because Heather Holler told me to do it. I did a makeup tutorial on my channel for a project my sophomore year, and it's still on my channel, I think. And it was like how to do your makeup. Whoa, focus. Yes. It was how to do your makeup with the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. And boy, was that horrendous. To start off, I'm going to take the equals tool all over shading eyeshadow brush right here. Okay. And we're gonna dip it into this palette. I don't know if it's like somewhere in the palette. I'm gonna take this nude color right there, and I'm just gonna use this as my base. And I'm just gonna pat that all over my eyelid. By the way, I'm no professional. I have no idea what I'm doing at all. Glad that we got that clear. The next color in this palette that I'm going to take is called Burnt Orange, right there. I'm going to put that on my little tiny crease that is non-existent, and just put that all in right there, and right here. You know, there's something about doing your makeup that is so calming. Like I said, I don't even know how to do my makeup. I just like doing makeup. Alright, I'm going to take the Nubian 2 palette right here, and I'm going to go in with Madagascar, which is this pretty brown color right there. And I'm just gonna take that Urban Decay Naked brush that comes in with all the sets, and I'm gonna use the blending side, and I'm just going to blend that all in on my upper crease. Now that we have this going for us all up here, I'm going to go back into that first random palette. I'm going to use this pretty burned pinkish right here, and I'm going to mix it with this really deep pink. And I'm just going to put that on my outer V. Now I'm going to go back into the Nubia 2 palette, and I'm going to take my finger and pat in Zuri, I hope I'm saying that right, this color right here. I'm gonna take on my finger, and I'm gonna go into the inner corners of my eyes and just swish it over. And then now I'm gonna go back in with the same color and just pat the inner of my eyes. Right there. And that is how I do my makeup, and I'm going to zoom you in a little bit closer to fix my non-existent eyebrows. I said this is my first video. Your eyebrows are not twins, they are sisters, and mine are twice removed cousins, as you can see. I'm going to take this random palette, mix the two colors together, and yeah, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and I'm using this MAC brush right here, pretty thin, yep. Alrighty, so I'm gonna move on to my face right now, and this is gonna sound bad, but I don't prime my face because I don't feel the need to. I've used primer before. I mean, the best one that I used was Benefits Professional, but I feel like it really didn't do a difference for my face, so I just don't use primer. If you use primer, use it. But right now I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way in shade Light Beige because I'm really late, as it is. So what I like to do, I like to take a pump, put on the back of my hand. And for Christmas, my dad got us all BS facial brushes. It came in like a set. And so I'm just gonna pat this all over my face. For foundations, it's always hard for me to find one that I like because my skin is very like sensitive. Oh, the best ones that I have found for my skin is this Born This Way and the Urban Decay Stay All Night. But for everyday use, I just go in with my Too Faced. So we let this makeup foundation set for a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with my Bare Minerals Pro Foundation Powder in Camel 17 right here. Next, I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Cocoa Contour, and I love this product. I use this shade right here, which is Medium Cocoa. I'm gonna take this angled flat brush from the BS set that my dad got me for Christmas, and I'm gonna suck the cheeks in. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm gonna take my Stila bronzer in Dark. And I'm literally gonna like bronze the shit out of my face. So I'm gonna take a face rounding brush from the BS collection and just pop this baby all over the place. Nice. Next I'm gonna go in with this really light pink blush right here. I'm gonna take this fluffy little tiny blush brush, and I don't put the powder, the blush on the apples of my cheeks. I like to, like, you'll see. It's kind of behind my cheeks. I learned this trick from Whitney Simmons. She does it, so I do it. We have made it to the end of this tutorial, and the last thing that I'm gonna do is pop some highlighter on me so I can be glowing and blinding. And last night I went to Ulta and I used my gift card for Maxima, thank you. And I'm using the Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter right here in the color Sin, and it claims to be 8-hour wear. It looks like this. It's very like simple. And I found out last night I've been putting highlighter on like wrong. Like I would always put it like right up here, but like the guy was like right there when he was doing it, so I'm missing out on life. So I'm just gonna pat and just I lied, this is actually not the last thing I do. It's the last thing for face that I do, but not the last thing I do. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into that random pink palette that I'm used, and I'm gonna go back in with the flat part of the Urban Decay brush and Red Orange, those two colors that I mixed together, you know, right there, okay? And I'm gonna put this under my lower lash line. And then I'm just gonna blend them together just so it looks really nice. Here's the last step. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. And the mascara that I'm going to be using today is the L'Oreal Lash Voluminous Paradise and Lash Sensational by Maybelline, these two. So I first like to go in with the L'Oreal one. Yeah, in my Asian side, no eyelid and no eyelashes. Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline mascara. And boom, we have our mascara on. And that right there is how I do my everyday makeup, if I were to do my makeup, because I don't really like doing my makeup. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this look, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment in the description below if you want to see some more makeup type things, I guess, other than vlogs and gym stuff. But yeah, let me know, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and always thank you for watching my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!